Ariva has become one of the most moving and beneficial advanced resources of this fall. The improvement group calls it a token for travelers. In this article, we think about various market assessments on ARV exchanging points of view and investigate different Ariva long-haul cost estimates. How does Ariva function? Ariva is a BEP20 token created utilizing Binance Chain Organization. The cryptographic money is centered around making a trip, to be more exact, on neighborhood and global the travel industry. Ariva is an undertaking that carries digital currency nearer to this present reality. Zeroing in on the travel industry, Ariva offers explorers a remarkable encounter of going all over the planet by furnishing a simple method for paying with digital currency. The objective of the Ariva group is to make a worldwide travel network that would permit vacationers both to spend digital currency, for instance, on booking convenience, and to get rewards. The last option is intended for the people who choose to share their movement encounters with others. The Ariva blockchain environment comprises of 3 parts. Every one of them are being developed at the hour of composing. Ariva World. It is an entry where crypto migrants can track down a reasonable deal and pay for it. All that will be accessible on the announcement board: room reservations, vehicle rental administrations, guides for employing, and gifts for requesting. Ariva Finance. Neighborliness organizations can coordinate Ariva Finance into their sites or applications, offering guests exchanges with negligible expenses. With the assistance of the help, clients will actually want to make installments as simple as ABC, examine the QR code, and the assets will be credited to the vendor right away. Ariva Club. It is an informal community where wanderers can share their movement encounters and leave surveys about foundations. By sharing their impressions and content, sightseers will actually want to guarantee rewards. While talking about future exchanging chances of computerized monetary forms, you ought to always remember to consider the assessments of crypto market specialists and focus on market opinions. Presently, we should investigate what dealers and crypto lovers anticipate from Ariva later on. The information is given by the Crypto Insightful Source Trading View. Ariva Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Ariva costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Ariva will be $0. The most extreme level that the ARV cost can reach is $0. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0. ARV value gauge for January 2023. In view of the value vacillations of Ariva toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical ARV pace of $0 January 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0 separately. February 2023. Ariva value gauge. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their conjecture for the ARV cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0, while the greatest could reach $0 this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Ariva may be around $0. ARV value estimate for WAC 2023. Crypto examiners have actually taken a look at the value variances of Ariva in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal ARV rate they foresee may be around $0 WAC 2023. It can drop to $0 a base. The greatest worth may be $0. April 2023. Ariva value gauge. Around mid-year 2022, the ARV cost will be exchanged at $0. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Ariva worth to $0. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $0 April 2023. ARV value figure for May 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Ariva costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, $0. The least and pinnacle ARV rates may be $0. June 2023. Ariva value conjecture. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the ARV cost will be around $0. In June 2023, the Ariva cost might drop to at least $0. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0 June 2023. ARV value gauge for July 2023. Having examined Ariva costs, digital money specialists expect that the ARV rate could arrive at a limit of $0 July 2023. It may, in any case, drop to $0. For July 2023, the determined normal of Ariva is almost $0. August 2023. Ariva value figure. Around mid-2022, the Ariva cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0. Crypto examiners expect that in August 2023, the ARV cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $0. ARV value figure for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Ariva worth won't dip under at least $0. The greatest pinnacle expected for this present month is $0. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $0. October 2023. Ariva value figure. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly examined the scope of ARV costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their figure is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Ariva will be around $0, with a chance of dropping to at least $0. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $0. ARV value figure for November 2023. In light of the value changes of Ariva toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical ARV pace of $0 November 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0 separately. December 2023, Ariva value conjecture. Digital money specialists are prepared to report their gauge for the ARV cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0, while the greatest could reach $0 this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Ariva may be around $0. Ariva value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Ariva in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Ariva will be around $0. The greatest expected ARV cost might be around $0. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0 2023. Ariva value expectation 2025. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Ariva, in 2024, ARV is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $0 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0. Ariva value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have examined the costs of Ariva and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base ARV cost could drop to $0, while its greatest can reach $0. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $0. Ariva value forecast 2027. In view of the examination of the expenses of Ariva by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least ARV costs are normal in 2026, $0. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $0. Ariva value forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually examining the variances of Ariva. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical ARV cost will be around $0. It could drop to at least $0. However, it actually could reach $0 through 2027. Ariva value expectation 2029. Consistently, digital money specialists plan gauges at the cost of Ariva. It is assessed that ARV will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $0 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $0 the year. Ariva value expectation 2030. Digital currency investigators are prepared to report their assessments of the Ariva's cost. The year 2029 still up in the air by the greatest ARV cost of $0. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $0. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $0. Ariva value expectation 2031. Following quite a while of examination of the Ariva cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their ARV cost assessment to 2030.